With Republicans taking on the criminal justice system and calling it corrupt in response to the indictment of former President Donald Trump. Many experts believe this will have a lasting impact on the credibility of the judiciary in the United States. On Friday, many Republican leaders, including former Vice President Mike Pence, had taken a dig at the justice system, saying the indictment sent out a terrible message about the U.S. justice system. Critics have warned that this labeling can shake public trust in courts by undermining the institutional legitimacy of the criminal justice system. More in this next report.
Because I have to tell you, legal analysts say the decision to file criminal charges against Donald Trump will present distinct hurdles for prosecutors. The historic move was taken on Thursday, charging the former U.S. president in a case involving a 2016 hush money payment to porn star Stormy Daniels. Trump and his supporters have already alleged that the charges are politically motivated.
There may also be an allegation of that kind in court.
Stanford law professor David Alan Sklansky said it is unconstitutional for a prosecutor to file charges based on the political party of the defendant. But he added that the defense would need to prove that prosecutors have chosen to not file charges against similarly situated defendants.
Which will be a difficult burden for Trump to satisfy in this case.
However, the historic nature of the decision by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg means prosecutors are now navigating uncharted waters. That gives Trump's legal team the opportunity to challenge key elements of the case. One area of legal uncertainty has to do with whether the Manhattan DA can charge Trump with a felony for falsifying records with the alleged intent of covering up a federal campaign finance violation.
We haven't seen a case where a federal campaign financing offense has been used as the basis for that sort of a charge. And it's possible that for some reason or another, a court would decide that that's not within the proper use of the New York criminal statute.
The payment of $130,000 in so-called hush money by Trump's then lawyer Michael Cohen to Daniels had been under investigation for several years prior to Thursday's indictment.
We're going to bring challenges very quickly.
Sarah Krisoff, a partner at Day Pitney law firm, says that gives Trump's defense an opening, as key witnesses have given their stories many times before.
Trump's team is going to be able to do a lot of damage with that because there is likely inconsistencies in those statements along the way.
On Friday, a New York judge authorized Bragg to make the charges public, though it was not clear when he would do so. Trump's expected appearance before a judge in Manhattan on Tuesday comes as the Republican mounts a comeback bid for the presidency and could further inflame divisions across the country.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.